Losing new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Child, it's been a minute since I did this, but what's up, guys? It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am back with another voiceover. The unit that I'm gonna be rocking in today's video was sent to me by Hurela Hair. Shout out to you, Hurela Hair, for always coming through with the come through, boo. Okay, you guys can see this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And as you guys can see, oh girl was definitely pre-bleached. Like, shout out to y'all, honey. But I am on my little bleaching kick these days, so I did decide to bleach it myself. And I used that 40 volume developer and the CALERA BW powder or whatever it's called, child. You know, the bleach stuff. So right here, I am just mixing it up. And then they say you always want like a sort of toothpastey sort of consistency. Child, I just play with it until I get it where I think it'll work. So I'm putting it on, and I always like to use, well, now I do, child. Now that I know better. You know better, you do better. But I use a plastic utensil. I actually prefer to use a plastic butter knife. But child, your girl ain't got them. So yeah. So anyways, I ended up leaving this bleach on for 30 minutes, and I did it in like 15-minute things, child. Okay, so I waited 15 minutes, checked on it, then did another 15 minutes, and then washed it out. So right here, I am tweezing the unit. Y'all, I'm telling you, I am trying to get on my stuff, honey. Now, I still can't give you a tutorial, but I can let you see me do what I'm doing. Anyways, everything else is basically self-explanatory. It's the stuff that I do in every video. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys get into this music by my girl King Sis, and I will see you guys later on in my rambling portion of this video. So, bye!
For you when we get home, if you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. Town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Hurela Hair. Shout out to you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, they did decide to send me the unit in 26 inches. This is the Hurela Coolest Brown 2 Blonde Ombre Lace Front Wig. It is a 13x4 pre-plucked deep wave 150% density wig. They do have this unit available in 14 to 28 inches, all of those being even numbers. As I stated, do have this wig in 150% density. That is the only density that they have it available in, and I got it in 26 inches. So they have on here, hair type is Brazilian, Malaysian, and Peruvian. I'm not 100% sure which type they sent me, but those are the ones that they say that they have available. The texture is deep wave. It says natural color, but obviously this is not a natural color whatsoever. The cap size that they have available is an average cap size, which is 22 to 22.5 inches. It is a lace frontal, and they do only have it in 13x4. And the density, as I stated, is 150% density. So with this wig, as far as it being big head friendly, because it does only come in an average cap size, and I am personally an average cap size, whether or not I feel like this unit is big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, but when it comes to Hurela Hair, what I've noticed is their units are more so on the big head friendly side than not. I have not gotten a unit from them that I felt I would have any issue with whatsoever, as far as the lace and pulling it down and cutting it and all that. In my opinion, all of their units are more so on the big head friendly side, which I do like because it just makes it easy as far as laying the unit down. Now, if you do have a smaller head, that may be an issue, but I do feel like the majority of people do have average to large size heads, so that is always a plus. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, in my opinion, straight out of the packaging, she does none of the things. That's not to say at some point she won't. Like, even with the fact that it's a deep wave wig, in my opinion, deep wave units do tend to shed and tangle more so than like a straight or a body wave wig. This unit really did not shed or tangle much whatsoever, other than when I was tweezing the unit, and those straight hairs do tend to get tangled up in the wig. But as far as the unit itself shed and tangling, It really did not do much of it, but I do want to throw it out there that it did do a little bit, so you can't come for me later talking about, you said it didn't. It did a little bit, girl. Okay, it just did. As far as the combs with this wig, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it does come with adjustable straps. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details with this wig. Now, I did tweeze this unit some, but and I did bleach it. But this wig did come pre-bleached. I'm not gonna lie to you, old girl definitely came pre-bleached, and she did come pre-tweezed. So you don't have to do any of the extra unless you want to. I did, because I know I'll get some people saying, I ain't got time for all that. She don't do that. I get it, girl. But with this unit, you don't necessarily have to. I did some extra things. You don't have to. That is just like purely like my choice, girl. Okay, that was my choice. You don't necessarily have to. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and basically get into the pros and cons of this unit and go from there. Alright, honey, so let's get into the pros and cons with this wig. We're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. So as far as cons go with this wig, the only con I can think of is that the fact that it's a 13x4. And this particular 13x4, sometimes with the middle part, they can go farther back. With this one, it does not. Like, literally, this is it. So that would be my only con with this wig, is that, you know, you don't have that much space right there in the middle or on the sides. It's not a whole, it's a lot of party space, but it doesn't go back as far as I personally would like it. So that is my personal con with this wig. Okay, so what are my pros with this wig? I love the fact that this unit did come pre-bleached. It did come pre-tweezed. The baby hairs were not excessive. I love that about this wig as well. The color, I absolutely love this color. I don't think I own a deep wave unit in this color, so I really, really love that. I love the length, and I love the fact that it's not heavy. It's a lot of hair, and it's 150% density. It is a deep wave wig, so even though it's 150% density, it's a lot of hair, but it's not heavy hair. Like, I love that about this unit, because when it comes to deep wave units, especially when they're long, it can feel like a lot of hair, especially if you go over 150% density. This actually is 150% density, and it looks like it, but it's still super thick, and I love that they were honest about that. So shout out to them for all of those pros. Would I recommend this unit? Now, normally I say it depends on your budget, it depends on this, depends on this. I would definitely recommend this unit, only because you're getting what you paying for, okay? In my opinion, for this unit to be as long as it is, and them to be honest about the density, you get a lot of hair, and they doing a lot of the work. So I would definitely recommend this unit. So far with Hurela, honey, they have not disappointed me so far whatsoever. They always come through with the come through. When they send me a picture, I know I'm gonna get what I see. So shout out to you, boo. And yeah, I am definitely feeling everything about this unit, and I would personally recommend this unit, and I would recommend this company. Alright, honey, so let me go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check and wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I am interested in hearing what you guys think about this unit. If you're feeling it as much as I am feeling it, let me know down below. Also, let me know, do you guys remember me doing a unit in this color in a deep way? Like, let me know, because I really love this color. It's definitely giving me more so of that 27 honey blonde sort of feel. You guys know I love a good honey blonde unit. Let me know down below. Let me know if you're feeling it. And once again, shout out you, Hurela, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, if you're interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing you one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helter Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love next time. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hold.